Hi, it's Raymond Whittaker from VivaMK. Just unboxing the VivaMK delivery. So let's have a look, see what the customers are buying from the brochures. Just unboxing the getting into the delivery. So we've got a nice tea tray from Paris. So we got a mellow yellow bunch of flowers. So we've got some old new catalogues. Got some more catalogues. Some more catalogues. Some more catalogues. So we got another. So that's empty. Got a box of drain sticks, got a microfiber cloth set, got 2 of those, got some baking soda wipes, we've got some ultra PVC cleaner, we've got some Lush leather cleaner, so we've got some Epsom salts, got a packet of dishcloths, another packet of dishcloths, got a pill box to keep your pills in, sort them out. We've got another tub of Epsom salts, we've got a paving stone like garden weeder, so we've got some weed killer. Got a tub of feed for lawns, got a multi-grow easy, got a drain away, Mermaid Wonder Whip Soap. So we got a big value. We've got a blast can air freshener. So we've got another Mermaid. Got some softening foot lotion. Got some cracked heel cream. Some more softening foot lotion. Got heel cream. Some more heel cream. We've got a grout and tile pen. Got some kettle descaler. Got some nail polish remover. We got some makeup cloths. That's all in that packet. So we've got, looks like we've got a little bag of makeup. So we got some waterproof mascara. Got some more waterproof mascara. Got some eyeshadow. Got some nail varnish. Got eyeliner. Another eyeliner. And an eyebrow pencil with a eyebrow brush on the end. We got some more nail varnish. And we got some black nail varnish. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.